Alright y'all, it's been almost 4 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and put the foil around it and then put the temp port in it. Yeah, it's looking good too. Been running almost 4 hours between 250 and 300. Sucker's hot. And with the foil on there, we're going to go ahead and leave it in there until it reaches 205. When it gets up to 205, we'll take it off and let it rest for a good while. Probably at least rest about an hour. And then it'll be time to pull it. Once I pull it off and let it rest, that's when I'll go ahead and put the sausage on there. Because the sausage isn't going to take long to cook at all. It's already sliced. It's at about 160 right now. So like I say, we still got a little ways to go. We're gonna go ahead and put some fire in it and get it crunk up to about 325 and then let it cook on out until it's 205. All right, y'all, it's sitting at 205. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off and let it start resting. And then once I get it off, I'm gonna go ahead and put this sausage on there. It's cut in slices already, so it'll kind of suck this marinade up better. And it's a smoky applewood, just a little grill made marinade. I've done it before and I like it quite a bit. This sausage you can't leave on there very long because it's already sliced, so it's gonna cook fast. And if you leave it on there too long, it's gonna dry out pretty quick. So I'm gonna get that off and then put this on, and then let that rest for a little while, and then we'll be ready. And there it is, y'all. Got the pork all pulled apart. We pulled it off at 205, let it rest about an hour. Most of the sausage is gone, people eating. And there's the sandwich. Pulled pork on bottom, barbecue sauce, sausage, barbecue sauce, and then coleslaw. You can go ahead and sauce the meat at that point, or just leave it without the sauce on it, put it on your sandwich. That's what we do a lot of times. But yeah, that was just, I used the brown sugar bourbon marinade as a rub on the pork, and then used the smoky applewood marinade on that sausage. That's why it was sliced like that. And you either have to cook that pretty low because it's already sliced. If you're cooking hot, you're gonna have to watch it before it dries out. So anyway, that'll do it on this one. I'm fixed to get start eating on this sandwich, and we'll see y'all on the next one.